I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Email Octopus. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, click on Email Octopus API key. Click on Create Key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Then click Create. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now navigate to Email Octopus page. Now select the lists. Here is the data that came into Email Octopus through the integration. Thanks for watching.